Good morning and happy Tuesday to all. This is Carla Thornton-McClain, CLT, Transformation Life Coach. I just wanted to jump on this morning before I started my day because I told you all that I was going to be going over the BrightenUp set. If you do actually follow me, you did actually see the video that I actually did yesterday in regards to the BrightenUp eye cream, okay? I'm actually going to be going over another, the next product in that set that I actually love. I do love the eye cream, you guys, as well as I actually have fallen in love with any of our products as far as Arbonne's, as far as the serums and the BrightenUp. This is the BrightenUp serum. Also fell in love with that, so I'm actually going to be going over that with you all today for my Tuesday's tips, okay? And just kind of wanted to share with you all the benefits, in other words, actually what the serum does. First of all, I'm just going to, you notice, if you can see it, you don't actually have to use too much of it. And remember yesterday I was speaking to you guys about how you put anything on in the finger that you can use the middle finger. And like you said, when you're doing, just gently, if you notice when I'm actually putting this on, immediately how my skin just glows. It just radiates as far as the glow. I love the glow and how it makes my skin, and it actually feels good when you're putting it on as well, you guys. Okay. And just like you said, just gently actually put it on. And if you notice what my skin looked like actually before, when I just spoke to y'all this morning, pretty much kind of maybe where your skin can look dull or dry. And then also wanted to mention what this also does, if you can actually see it, which is actually diminishes the appearance of dark spots. If you see, I have some brown dark spots that comes from can come from aging as well as being out in the sun. I did actually get plenty of sun this year, you guys. I hadn't been able to be out in the sun, enjoy the sun, or get a tan in years, but I actually was able to enjoy the sun this year. But a lot of you may notice as you get older, aging, or even, like I said, being in the sun. But as you can see, I have some right there, and like I said, it helps diminish the appearance of those dark spots, okay? It also improves the appearance of skin tone, in other words. So it, just improves the appearance of your skin tone, okay? All right, and it does revitalize the look of the skin's radiance, and that's actually what I was talking about when I said, if you all see, as far as before when I start doing this video to now, and I don't actually have, when I'm doing these videos, I'm actually just using each product. I'm going over each product of the BrightenUp set. I'm not using it all at once. I'm just using it as far as the video to talk about that one particular product is actually what I'm doing. So once again, I just wanted to show you for my Tuesday's tip. It's the BrightenUp serum, Luminous serum, and like I said, fell in love with it, you guys. And actually, another thing I did notice about it that I do love, you guys, is working an 8-hour shift. And of course, like I said, having my own businesses, even after hours, I still can feel it. Or like I said, I notice as far as even looking in the mirror, as far as that glow, the radiance, so it actually stays there, so you know it's actually doing what it's made to do, and actually getting into your skin and doing what it actually needs to do. So once again, like I said, a very, very short video this morning. Just wanted to jump on and, like I said, talk to you all about, once again, the BrightenUp, the Luminous serum. And once again, just a friendly reminder, I will be reminding you all this week, this week and the days for the rest of this month, we do have that promotion that's been extended. If you're interested in becoming what they call a PC, a preferred client, where you get 20 to 40% off all of any of our products. You usually have a registration fee, an enrollment fee. If you were a registration fee, that's $29 being waived this month. So you actually don't have to, that's not included, it's being waived. And if you're interested in having your own business, or just interested in having what they call like a side hustle, you definitely can reach out to me, and they are actually having the promotion in regards to an independent consultant. The registration enrollment fee for that is usually $49. That's being waived this month too, and that's actually being for the whole month of December until December the 31st. So the time is now. If you're interested, I have been interested in trying the products as a reach out to me as a preferred client, or if you're interested in becoming an independent consultant. And that way, like I said, you're enjoying the products as well as being able to educate and be a guidance to others, and to help others in regards to their skincare, and in regards to their health. And then as far as how you say, just mind as well, we have products in regards to, for like I said, for your thinking, you know. So in regards to, yeah, like I said, your mind is smart. As once again, as we actually get older, our mind doesn't work, and we need to make sure we continue have it working just as good as it was when we was younger. Okay. So once again, like I said, this has been Carla Thornton-McClain of CLT Transformation Life Coach. Feel free, like I said, to reach out to me. You can either call me. I'll always include my email as well as my email or social media platforms. You can actually reach out to me. Or you can just send me a direct message and just let me know you're interested, like I said, in reaching out and speaking with me. We can do what they call a free consultation as well. I'll actually, if you reach out to me, I can send you my calendar for you can actually set that up and actually get that scheduled. Okay. Take care. Have a wonderful Tuesday to you all. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye for now.